Hi all, welcome to PCM Hub. PCM Hub, Physics, Chemistry and Maths. I'm going to teach you about physics, chemistry and maths in a different way. Generally, in many classes, you would have learned about the subjects dealing with concepts, theories, simple examples. But in PCM Hub, I would be dealing with new techniques, new methods, and a different way of approach. Coming to the point of physics and chemistry, physics and chemistry have been a most scoring part and the most important part for every student while doing NEET examination or coming to engineering examination. So there is an immense need for students to be more precise and very concerned and should pay more attention with more crystal and clarity on the subject. So I have mainly focused on physics, chemistry for this aspect. Coming to the maths, I am generally maths have gone through a general way, and it is an open approach where maths can be dealt, and there is an inclusion of banking techniques and Vedic mathematics techniques also in this session to make you aware about how these techniques are useful in solving the problem. And due to the lockdown, I have shifted on my channel of offline mode of education to online mode of education, and I have created this PCM Hub as a channel of online platform during the global pandemic going on in the country. So I feel this is means immense need during this pandemic for many of the students who are the viewers, and you can attain a lot of information, lot of better ways of solving problems in mathematics or physics, anything. And any suggestions or anything also you can post it or in the comment section, and you can get the replies as fast as possible. And coming to myself, my name is VBN Saket, and I have pursued my mechanical engineering from Visakhapatnam, and I'm been working in TCS for the past 8 months. And I am also a B.Ed qualified teacher of TGT Mathematics till yet, and doing my MSc in Mathematics and Physics also. When I complete it, I will become a teacher for PGT of Mathematics and PGT of Physics. And also I have got a CTET clear score. I also made an internship of 1 month in Kendriya Vidyalaya, and my teaching experience in Kendriya Vidyalaya was also a wonderful aspect, and which have helped me to develop this PCM Hub with new innovative techniques of Kendriya Vidyalaya CBSE system. And coming to the new national education policy which is going to be launched in the coming years, and which will be implemented in the coming years till 2030. So the 5+3+3 type of education, which will, so I am giving more focus on that type of education system also, and making people aware about what are the basic requisites of to follow in that type of pattern of education for CBSE. And coming to the part of the competitive exams, generally the people who have cleared their matriculation exam, that is the 10th class examination, are wondering to know about what are the ways that they can go and what are the channels that they can go, and how they have to deal with this +1, +2, or the so-called this intermediate, which is at present education, that they have to take MPC or they have to take BIPC and MBIPC, whatever might be the course, and they have to vigorously plan for getting for IIT JEE examination or NEET examination. So the PCM Hub gives a very clear guidance about how to aim for NEET or IIT JEE from 9th class itself, because at least 4 years of immense hard work is required for getting a seat in medical in the NEET, by clearing NEET exam and getting a good rank and getting good score in it. And coming to IIT JEE also, it also needs a vigorous practice, especially mathematics is a lot of need, and many CBSE people are feeling trouble in doing mathematics, especially for IIT JEE. So that aspect also has been dealt here. in this platform, and there will be step-by-step approach of doing problems, and there is pure focus on speed and accuracy of the subject being dealt here. Means if there is a problem, so there is an immense need of doing that problem in 40 seconds. So that is the need of speed. There should be a need of accuracy. The accuracy comes when you are very correct, when you are very accurate with your problems. That means the way of solving the problem. So if you are very accurate with the way of solving the problem, then you can be able to gain good accuracy and get correct answers in objective type of examinations. So my focus is also there on objective type of approach, and which is the most important. And even with the pandemic, all the examinations have been converted into objective type of approach, where online bits are there, 4 options are there, you have to eliminate the answers, you have to find out the correct answer, which is 40 seconds or 1 minute of time for each question being allotted. So students have to develop their reasoning ability and their analytical skills a lot. So that skills is being motivated and made here. So coming to the next part, that in further education, how this PCM hub would be impacting is my question.
So my PCM hub would be covering the areas of the 5 objectives. The first one is objective approach, second one is conceptual approach, and third one is analytical skill development, fourth one is doubt clearance and concept clearance in application wise, and the fifth one is time management. So all these 5 aspects are being dealt here in my class, and this will lead to the success of the student in his academics. So hope so that you stay at home, stay safe, and please subscribe to my channel PCM Hub and get aware about all the educational stuff that you are needed. Might be anything which is related to academic is shared here, and currently the classes are going on for 9th class, and further coming sessions in the coming months we will be going for class 10th, 11th, 12th also. So that's all for the day, and please subscribe and please